The biggest change I've noticed in myself after I joined ʀXL is definitely my grooming standards. Previously, I have no idea how to put on contact lens, how to put on makeup. Madam Sharon, Miss G, and many other trainers helped me with that, and I'm slowly improving. I would definitely recommend this course to those who are keen to become a cabin crew, as this program definitely teaches a lot about the tourism industry as well as the airline and airport knowledge. Before enrolling in ʀXL Tourism Academy, I lacked confidence, especially when I have to speak in front of the public. Now I'm trying to improve, and I am improving day by day due to the guidance of the ʀXL trainers and under the guidance of Mr. Hillary as well as Madam Chong. Oh, my favorite trainer. That's a very difficult question because all the trainers are special in their own way. Madam Karen and Madam Sharon, both of them exudes a very magnificent aura that is unbeatable. And Mr. Roslan trainers where students can be friends with, and they are always there for us.